industries, place them in different countries, and then the other countries will buy from there.
Yes.
We've been manufacturing medicines for over 20 countries now.
Yes.
For the African continent. And it works. Yeah. It works.
We will support that because we have an interest from a trade point of view, as you say, Chairman. So we ourselves in Africa CDC are very, very much looking forward to the existence of AMD so that we can see and displace those imports from across the seas and produce locally. So this is a priority for us.
No, we
check on it
next time.
Yeah.
Africa yajja wamu nekola akatale kamu bonna akakwagalinga abantu ebbilioni emu n'obukadde 3. So ekyo kituyambye nnyo kati tugezaako okugaziya eddagala wano lijja kugaziwa ligende mu obutale obulala mu Africa. Kati omuzungu akiyita inward looking, tetukyayagala kuspendinga sente nnyingi kujja ddagala wabweru nga tulina ebyaffe wano. Ekyo kyekikulu ekirimu.
I think we had a great discussion on how we can integrate and the market itself. That means how we can access countries not only which are around Uganda, but French West Africa, South of Africa.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.